if you search this, you get a lot of videos telling you can get a $5 for $500, 100 emails, and that's on. All these are telling you fake stories or right. Like, let's get right into it, right? So when I search it, I found three legit options, right? This the one is pay to read emails, and another one is what you call it Click Genie. Yeah, the site is loading. What do you call it? Click Genie. And the last thing I got it is called Inbox, right? Inbox dollar. Right? So there are the three alternatives I found, right, for the to read emails, right? This is giving $5 bonus for free, but is it literally that they are paying you or not? So for that, I just check their ratings. First of all, if in Inbox Dollar, if this Inbox Dollar, I type in my email address and password and see what's going on, and they tell us you are not eligible for this. This is what they say. It's loading. They're saying like, sorry, this is currently they're accepting from just US citizens, right? So if you're out of US country like me, you're not able to uh, enter in this Inbox Dollar, right? So we see the trust pilot rating of these all of these things like Click Genie. This is what it gets. Click Genie gets like some things at 7.9 rating, right? That's saying that's not good. If you see Inbox Dollar rating, that's saying it's excellent, right? It's great, but the thing is, it's just for US citizens, right? As I show you right now, it's not for everyone, right? They're saying we accept cookies and everything. So pay to read emails at 2.9 ratings. They are pretty normal. I said that's not bad, not good. They're saying you can get paid some amount of money, but I don't try all this Inbox Dollar and this paid to read email. I tried Click Genie, right? Inbox Dollar is not accepting me, so that's why I don't try it. And this pay to read email, I just open it here, and they are telling us write these things and put the surveys and win this cash and pay to read emails and everything, right? So they're saying take paid daily surveys and you can earn them from 50 cents to $1 per survey, right? That's what they are telling. And I will show you, right? I'm going to log in through this, and I'm going to tell you my earnings, right? If I make something or not, right? For the Click Genie, let's go it. This is the account they're saying you can make $0.042 for every emails you read. You just have to see the things, right? So what's the procedure of that Click Genie or all other things to read the emails? I'm going to show you, right? So let's jump right into it. So that's my earning of the Click Genie account, right? That's what it is. It's 0.5 something like, and you can withdraw that amount of money. So first of all, you get an email when you sign up for these things from login or register. You get this kind of email, start receiving emails, 10 to 15 emails per day, right? You just got this kind of thing. You just have to click this link which is coming. It's going to load, and there is ad going to be placed right here. It's here. They're going to show you some kind of ads, right? You have to move up and down this page and wait for the ads to be complete the time, and this is right, and you get the paid, right? So first of all, see what's my earnings, right? It's 515, right? 51508, right? Let's see what's going on. It's here. Wait for its completion. By the way, you can make more money in this Click Genie by referring your friends, because you get paid what your friends earn, and if your friends share to their friends, you can make more money. It makes a paradox, right? It's completed. Put it okay and send this, and here's what I make, right? That's what I make, right? It's 0.00 this something. And now I can close this thing. I can go to this my Click Genie account, and I refresh this. This number is going to change. That's what it is. It became 2, right? That's how it all works, and you can withdraw that amount of money, right? And there is a referral program, right? You just have to share direct referrals, indirect referrals, links and tools and everything, right? I will share you my video where I tell you that how can you make with Click Genie 100 to 200 or $300, right, per month. I said you don't have to be doing nothing. Your friends and their also friends are going to do the work, and you're going to get paid, right? That's what I'm going to tell you, right? You can watch this video right now. It's coming, right? So if you have anything doubts, you can tell me in the comment, and if you want I make video on another topic, you can tell me in this comment also. For that, That's all. Please subscribe and press the notification bell. Thank you. And you can see the if you want the reviews, you can see all the things on the Trust Pilot. Right? That's a good platform to see that if something is legit or not, because people's reviews or feedbacks are the best thing to see if something is legit or not. Don't trust on these scammy YouTubers. All they are is to scamming you. Many people says we can't withdraw the balance of this what I call it click genie. So I suddenly make some video on this, so how to withdraw that amount of money, or are you actually been able to withdraw that? For that, that's all. I put all the links in the description and you can visit all the sites and register there, right? Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.